my goodness. I cannot believe he has an entire moringa tree that is so mature and sweet. Yo! These leaves are legit superfoods. Moringa is actually dubbed as the tree of life. Every single part of the tree has nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and can be used as medicine. That includes the bark, the leaves, the actual pods, cooking this down as a stew, the seeds that exist inside of the pods. I eat moringa seeds every single day. Like, you can take one of these dry pods right here, and when you open it, you'll see the seed, and you can take out the seed, put it in your smoothies, or even crush it up into a powder and add it to your water, and it'll alkalize your water, cleanse your water. This tree right here, miracle tree, literally. These green leaves, adding this to your salad, or even drying them and blending this into a powder and adding that to your smoothie too, and even drying the leaves and blending it into a powder and then adding it to baked goods too is another way to get your superfoods in. There's so many ways that you can work with this tree. I'm paying homage to whoever planted these seeds and give thanks to the creator for even placing this on the land. Like, wow, gratitude. Yo, I'm so happy I saw a moringa tree today. Like, what? These are the dried pods here. So this you can open up and get the seeds. While these, although they're young, you can cut them up and stew it and like actually eat it. Yo, this whole time he had a moringa tree. I could have been getting moringa leaves from the local farmer. Wow. I know he has some other trees here that have some golden fruit on them.